I'm going to make a quick video highlighting the features of this Reuge musical automaton pocket watch and also show you how it works. When you open the back case, there's a Reuge style pocket watch winding key, and you insert it onto the winding arbor as such, and it winds clockwise. And then when the alarm feature hits, so you set the alarm by pulling this knob out and turning it counterclockwise. Let's set it to about 3 o'clock. You wind the mechanical movement of the watch by turning the top stem clockwise. Now I'm going to advance the time, and how you set the time is the same top stem, but now I'm going to turn this counterclockwise and watch what happens when we hit about 3 o'clock. The music plays strong at the proper tempo, and all of the automaton figurines work as they should. I actually took the music box mechanism apart, fully cleaned, adjusted and lubricated it, and then all of the gears and levers that operate the automaton figures. So everything works as it should. I'm going to advance the time again, and then it stops. Another nice feature about this pocket watch, I'm going to wind this again, is there's a little button here. You can see there it says press. When you press that, you can have the music and automaton figures play on demand. It's hard to press these and take a video at the same time and hold this straight. This is the little button right here, and when you press that, that's what makes it work. Wonderful musical automaton pocket watch manufactured by Reuge of Switzerland. Really shines. Take care.